Hey gorgeous people, and welcome back to a brand new video. Hi, I'm Fiona and we have the first episode of the Glow Up series. I'm so excited to share with you this whole episode series, getting into this energy. And just for an example, I have completely shifted my life using these techniques. From basically the past 2 months has really shifted for me, but I've been using practices like this for a long time in different areas of my life, and it depends what area you're working on is where you'll see the most shift. But in this example and in this episode, I'm going to show you how to shift all areas of your life. I'm just really excited to share with you this energy. There's so much to the law of attraction and your own self-love journey. It takes such a long time to work on yourself and come to the realization that you need to put yourself first in order to change. So I'm really excited to help you and guide you if you're looking for some guidance, if you're looking to glow up, if you're looking for that 2.0 version of yourself, then this is the video for you. Stick around. See these little golden advice nuggets and guidance tips because they really helped me. For example, if you are new here, I've been on basically a huge journey of health. I feel like health has really overwhelmed my entire life, and the first step I had to do was forgive myself for anything that I had done in the past. And then I'm on to the change section in my life. So I've been showing up for myself, showing up for that 2.0 version of myself. What does that person do? Do they go to the gym 4 times a week? Do they eat healthy? All this type of jazz. And I have lost over a stone in the past 2-3 months. I'm so happy with myself, and it's not all about the weight. For anyone who wants to click off this video, it's not anything about that. It's just about the fact that I've seen change and I've seen movement in the area that I've worked so hard to see a difference in, and I can really see it in the physical change. And knowing how your self looks and how your whole self-concept can change just by working out more or eating healthy more or being more confident, you shift your whole self-concept. So this whole glow up series is really a very deep dive into all things manifestation, and I feel like I've been so scared to talk about this topic in immense detail because there's so much to it, and I fear getting the message across the wrong way. And sometimes I look back on my manifestation series and I'm like, wow, do I actually make sense? So I'm going to do clear, precise points for you. So if you're interested in that, then please stick around. So yes, my goal is to make this very clear and precise information to guide you, to help you make that shift from the inner into the outwards and take action, take that inspired action. And this whole series is about that. So if you're interested in that, then please stick around. And if you really enjoy this video, then I'll really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up at the end and even subscribe, just so you get more content from me. But without further ado, let's get straight on into today's first episode, which is all about the 2.0 version of yourself and the steps to get there. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail to get up 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. So, with this journey and changing your self-concept and how you want to go into your 2.0 version self, the first thing that you need to do is release any old and hindering energy. So what I mean by this is get a piece of paper, write down anything from the last year or 6 months or even childhood memories that you want to forgive and move on from, or just getting that external energy out. Maybe it was anger, maybe it was hurt, maybe it was upset, maybe it was your previous lifestyle, how someone hurt you. I want you to write it down on a piece of paper, get it all out. It might be 1 page, it might be 5 pages, wherever you are in this journey, whether it's from the beginning or whether you're in this manifestation for a few years and you're like in that intermediate stage, you've released all this energy. Just go back for the past 6 months to a year and write on a piece of paper anything that you want to release, like any emotions that have come up. Maybe you missed an event and you feel guilty for missing it. anything that comes up, just write it down on this piece of paper and then get rid of this piece of paper. You're releasing all this energy, whether that's ripping it up, burning it safely, anything that you like, that you feel like you're going to disperse this energy. And sit in that release energy for about a day or so, and you'll feel the benefits of just that energy has dissipated into the world, into the universe, and you're no longer feeling hurt from someone that said this to you 3 days ago, something that happened 6 months ago that you can't forgive and forget. Just release and dissipate that energy. Have you done that? So moving on to step 2, if you just want to write these steps down and then you can go for them in your own time frame. Step 2 is my favourite step. You've done step 1, now we're on step 2. So step 2 is my favourite part. You're feeling lifted, you're feeling relaxed, you're in the state of you want to change, and you're going to get yourself a notepad. I love notepads. I feel like they're so amazing for getting rid of any pendant energy, to-do lists, getting things out of the mind onto a pad. Get yourself a pen. So you've got your notepad and pen, and you're going to write 2 columns. You're going to write a column that says current self and a column that says 2.0 self. So I've written 2 columns here, and it's literally straight down the page, and you're going to fill this with all areas of your life that you're currently on and your 2.0 version self is currently working on. So you're going to get a life wheel, and you're going to write down all these headings. So health, wealth, happiness, friendships, love. You can add your own headings in, like confidence, self-esteem, self-concept, reading. And you're going to write in the current self column what you're currently doing in that area of your life. For example, say you're talking about money, wealth, so say it's business. You're going to write in your current self, I'm currently bringing in, I don't know, 2k a month currently. And in your 2.0 self, you're going to write down what you want to see every single month. You're saying, I earn 5k plus a month, and I'm getting this through multiple sources of income. Next one, health. I am currently eating a balanced diet. Sometimes I have my treat days. 2.0 self, I prioritize my health. I prioritize my health first. It's the first thing that I do when I wake up. I meal prep, I da-da-da-da. You basically list everything that your 2.0 self is doing right now for that area of your life. And you keep doing that until all areas of that wheel, of this list, are completed. So you've done your list, you're feeling already at this point, I felt like my energy was shifting, like I was currently embodying my 2.0 self, because I saw where I am now and where my 2.0 self is. So you're gonna write a list after this page. You're gonna write a list of what you can do to get to the 2.0 self. What can you do now to be more healthier, to earn more money? You can write, I'm going to research into another stream of income. I'm going to meal prep my meals. What can I do today? Say it's YouTube. I'm going to make 1 YouTube video today. I'm going to make 5 YouTube shorts. So you're already putting the action into your 2.0 self, and this was what shifted my mindset from being quite sedentary, quite, I don't know, is it sedentary? I was gonna say lazy, but I wasn't lazy with coming home from work and just chilling after a long day at work, but now I prioritize my health. I go to the gym before work, I go to the gym after work, and this is where I've seen the dramatic change in my body, in my health, and putting that need first. And if you want to rate where you are in your current self, you want to put like a number on your current self. So for example, my health priority before working on my 2.0 self was about a 5. You know, some days I'd have really good days of my, you know, my food prep would be on point, or I would do my walks or something like that, but a 5 is quite a balanced place to be. You're not at your 10. So in each area of your life, you want to be a 10. You want to be your 2.0 version of yourself. And my 2.0 version of myself goes to the gym 4 times a week. They get their 10k steps every day. And that's where I've seen the change. And oh, it's just so amazing. Like, if you're feeling the energy already of you want to see the change, I'm just spreading that to you because I love the feeling of moving towards your goals. And you want to get all this pending energy out of you. You want to write lists of when you're going to do this. You're going to go to gym on Monday, you're going to go to gym on Wednesday, you're going to meal prep on Thursday, you're going to do a YouTube video on Friday or Saturday. You're going to write this down so it's out of your mind, and all this pendant energy is out of in here, and you're going to release it. You're going to let go, and you'll start to see the changes. You'll start to see you going towards that 2.0 version of yourself, and the next thing you know, you're like, oh, I'm in my 2.0 version of myself. What's my 3.0 version? And that's where it gets really exciting, and you start to push the boundaries. But don't get me wrong, you can get very comfortable with where you were. I was very comfortable in my current self, which was my 2.0 version self, probably before I knew it. And my previous self would be like, oh my god, she's got a full-time job doing da-da-da, she's got time to do this, she's got amazing days off. But now I needed to shift into the next version of myself. So each time you do this exercise, you're going to see another improvement, another change. And it's important to also be grateful for the change that you're seeing, but also don't get too comfortable, because you want to keep pushing and seeing that change in your life that you want to see, because we all have new goals. But it's the balance of being grateful for what you already have. So it's this is another subject which I feel like I could explain a little bit more detail in another video. You've completed your chart of everything that you want to see in your wheel of life, your priorities, all this lovely stuff that you want to see a change in your life right now. And the next thing that you're going to do is write a list of all that pendant energy. When you're going to do the workout, when you're going to do the video, all those steps that are taking you to that 2.0 version of yourself, you're going to write it down, and you're going to get rid of that pendant energy built up. You've got a lot of stuff to sell on Vinted, write that down. You've got a lot of stuff to do on Sunday, write that down. You've got to write things down, get them out of your head and onto the paper, and move towards those goals. So that is step 3. And there's a whole load of other things that I could talk about in between, but these are the 3 steps that essentially helped me shift my energy, and I really hope they're going to guide you and see a change in your life, because I've really enjoyed seeing this change in me. I can't wait to see this progress. I say right now, if I was going to rate myself, I would be a 9, but I need to get to that 10. What's that 10 person going to look like? That 10 2.0 version of myself. But this is a journey. You can rate yourself in how quick you're going to that 10 self. Say you're in your money self, say you're at a 8 or something, you need to push a little bit harder to get to that 10. But it's all about enjoying the journey as well. Don't get me wrong, enjoy the journey. But those are my 3 steps. I hope you enjoyed this manifestation video, this episode 1 of the Glow Up series. I am going to keep this in my manifestation series playlist though, so if you want to find any of the episodes, then please go find my playlist. And if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this far. I've enjoyed myself so much, sending you some positive love and energy towards your goals. I love you all so much. I can't wait to see you for the next episode, but enjoy the rest of your week. I love you so much, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.